Today, we're looking at the new Honor X9C 5G, the latest tank of a smartphone from Honor, and they're calling it their toughest phone yet. Priced at RM1499, this isn't just another budget phone, it's designed to handle some serious wear and tear. Today, we'll put it through drop tests, splash tests, and much more to see just how tough this phone is. Let's dive right in. First up, let's start with the drop test. Now, Honor has designed the X9C with upgraded 3D protection for shock absorption from all angles, so even if it falls screen first or on a corner, it's built to survive. Alright, let's drop it from about waist height. Let's raise the stakes a bit higher to around 1.8 meters and still, no issues. Now, let's move to the knock test. We'll test the screen's durability by knocking it against this wooden block, simulating some accidental bumps or knocks. Knocking sounds, no cracks, no scratches, this screen is holding up like a champ. That's durability you can really count on. Of course, a durable phone isn't just about drops. It's also got to handle water, right? So, I took it outside for a water resistance test. With an IP65 rating, the X9C isn't meant for full underwater use, but it can handle splashes, rain, and even a short dip. I sprayed it from every angle with a high-pressure water jet, and it held up perfectly. Even the ports and speakers stayed dry. Impressive, right? Durability is truly where this phone shines. The Honor X9C is actually the first smartphone to earn the SGS-Star reliability certification. This puts it on a new level compared to last year's X9B, showing that Honor has seriously amped up its durability game. Alright, let's talk specs because there are some solid upgrades here too. The X9C now has a huge 6,600 mAh battery compared to the X9B's 5,800 mAh, so you get even more usage on a single charge. Plus, with 66 watts fast charging, you'll go from zero to charged in no time. Honor's also improved the display. The brightness reaches a whopping 4,000 nits, that's 3 times brighter than the X9B. And, with 3,840 Hz PWM dimming, you're getting flicker-free visuals that are easier on the eyes. Whether it's sunny outside or you're watching videos in bed, this display has you covered. And sound quality fans, listen up. Honor has upgraded the X9C's audio system to stereo speakers. This means you're getting a richer, fuller audio experience, perfect for media lovers and mobile gamers. And yes, the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor is still here, offering smooth performance to balance those durability and feature upgrades without driving up the price. And best of all, even with all these upgrades, Honor has kept the starting price at RM1499, the same as the X9B. Plus, for early adopters, they're throwing in some pre-order goodies. Check the link in the description to learn more if you're interested. So, there you have it, folks. The Honor X9C 5G isn't just tough, it's also packed with features, from a killer battery to upgraded audio and display quality. If you're looking for a rugged phone with style, this might be your perfect match. Thanks for tuning in, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep testing those limits.